How to log in to Bank of Cyprus account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Bank of Cyprus account online. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of Bank of Cyprus. For that, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in bankofcyprus.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Bank of Cyprus. Here you will be able to see the website in Greek language. You can translate it to the English language in order to understand it clearly. For that, you will need to click on this EL option at the top right and then select the English option. By doing so, you will be able to see the language has been changed to English. Now here you will need to click on this Login One Bank button right here. Once doing that, you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, here you will be able to see the login interface at the right side. Now here you will need to use your user ID and your passcode in order to log in to your account. Click on the first field and there type in your user ID. Once entered, now type in your 6-digit passcode in this second field. After entering the passcode, you may also click on the I button at the right side of it in order to check and reveal whether you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want your login credentials to be remembered for future, you may also click on this Remember Me checkbox at the bottom of your passcode. And in case if you don't remember your passcode or user ID, you may also click on this Forgot Unlock User ID or Passcode link just below the passcode option, and then you will need to follow the instructions on how to retrieve them in order to log into your account successfully. Now after entering all the credentials, click on this login button right here. After that, you will be able to log in to your Bank of Cyprus account online and access it. So this is how you can log into your Bank of Cyprus account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.